Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning again, and welcome to our daily dose of sales caffeine. Again, this is Matt De Leon, your speaker for today, and welcome to ACMA General Insurance Agency Daily Dose of Sales Caffeine. We are live every morning, every day, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And we also have live stream during in the afternoon po. No? It's 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this learning session is brought to you by also by Akma Academy, where we share knowledge and skills development for professionals in the insurance industry. All right. So for the past days, no, for the past weeks, we've been discussing financial independence track, or how do we really prepare for our future, diba? How do we make good use of our money? All right. So yesterday we talked about the medical needs analysis. It was discussed by Mr. JP Malonzo, and he also shared a short glimpse, no, a glimpse of product solution, no, from one of our partner, which is Manulife. So today I'll be also discussing and maybe highlighting the product solution for the medical needs. All right, but before that, how are you guys feeling today? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling this Thursday morning? Sige, can you please type in the comment section kung ano po nararamdaman nyo today? We all know na grabe, ang napakabilis po ng panahon, and we are already almost half of the year already, no? Napakabilis pa na, parang we just opened up the year parang 5 months ago or weeks ago, no? Alala, ang bilis. And the question here is, have you planned something for yourself right now? Have you made a different step or decision in your life this year? All right. So good morning again. So of course, before that, I have this question, no, na nakapark para sa inyo ngayon and naka-prepare. Are you really, do you think that everyone is insurable? Tingin niyo po ba ay lahat ay insurable? Ikaw po mismo, if you're watching this live video, this Facebook live right now, do you think you are insurable pa? Or do you think lahat ng kakilala mo ay insurable pa ba? Sige po. Type in the comment section your answer. I'll be reading it later on. And I want you also to watch this video first. All right.
Lahat ba pwede pang kumuha ng life insurance? Oo naman, pwede. Pero hindi sure kung ma-approve ka. Of course, syempre depende yan sa age mo. Depende kung meron kang sakit before. Or depende din kung may pambayad ka. 'Di ba? So, hindi lahat pwedeng kumuha ng life insurance. Kaya ngayon, habang bata ka pa, habang malakas ka pa, mag-isip-isip ka na. Kaysa naman baka mamaya, kahit bata ka pa, magkasakit ka, baka ma-disapprove ka na agad. 'Di ba? So, sayang. Ikaw, kung may sense of urgency ka, pag-isipan mo din kung kailangan mo ba talaga ng life insurance. Tingnan mo kung ma-approve ka.
Diba? Sabi nga nung nasa video, tanong mo sa sarili mo kung kailangan mo ba talaga ng life insurance. Anong type of insurance ba ang importante para sa? Anong type of insurance ba ang tingin mong kailangan mo para sa sarili mo at para sa family mo? Alright? Today, I'll be highlighting you. This live session is entitled Helplex Protecting Your Wealth. So why do I say protecting your wealth? Diba? Bakit ko po nilagay siya ng title na Protecting Your Wealth? Because you know what, when you plan in life, what is your priority? Yeah, you can answer that in your minds, or you can share it in the comment section. What is your priority? Diba? What security would you want to achieve in the future for your family? Diba? For yourself, then at the same time. Because before we start, I want to discuss with you the hierarchy of financial needs. How do you plan for your future? How do you fail-proof your future? Ano ba ang priority mo? Lalong-lalo na po when it comes in getting a life insurance plan for yourself and your family. All right? So there are two types of events in our lives. The expected events and the unexpected events of life. For the expected events, we would like to give the best education for our kids to give them a better chance in life. And when your kids have grown up already, you are already ready to retire, you would like to have a comfortable life at retirement doing the things that you want to do. And gone are the days na when we see ourselves in a rocking chair during old age. Now, when people retire, they want to retire in style, right? But sadly, even with the expected events, a lot of people are still unsuccessful since they fail to save up properly for it. They lack discipline because a lot would tend to spend first before they save. Alam ko po maraming guilty dyan. Na kapag dating ng 15th of the month or month end or kapag dating ng sweldo nila or ng payday nila, they tend to eat out, diba? Spend almost everything or half of what they have earned or what they have gotten from their paycheck. Okay. Thinking na, uy, I still have 2,000 here. Ano kaya pwede ko mabili dito? I still have 3,000 in my wallet or in my hand. Ano pa kaya pwede ko mabili? Diba? Minsan gumagastos muna tayo bago tayo makapag-save talaga. Alright? Tama po ba? But you know that things may even take a downturn when the expected things happen. Like sudden passing of the breadwinner, contracting critical illness, even loss of property due to fire or calamity. Property which you worked hard for so long can be taken away in an instant. These can happen anytime. And when it does, nobody will tell you that it happened at the right moment. The truth is, these are the ones which give the most impact to you, your family, finances, and lifestyle. That is why in the hierarchy of financial needs, these unexpected events are at the base. It has to be a strong foundation. Otherwise, when these unforeseen events occur, you will have no choice but to use up even what you have saved for the education of your kids or your dream house or your retirement. Everything will be crumbling down. Remember, it is not just you who is affected, but your loved ones as well. Because, alam niyo po ba, just to share with you, people would really prioritize the things at the top. Ito pong pinulugan ko sa taas. Education, savings, retirement, investments. But they forget to really secure the unexpected events in life, which is the income protection, health protection, and lifestyle protection. So before we proceed, I also want you to really watch this video and pay close attention to this video. All right. So did you get the message of that video? That man wasn't prepared for the one of the unexpected things in life, events in his life. Diba? Nagulat siya na ang laki ng medical bills niya. He didn't expect it. He doesn't have money to pay for it. But he's lucky enough to have friends like them. Diba? Na yung friends na mismo ang gumawa ng paraan. Nagsanla ng jewelries. Diba? Ginamit lahat ng cards nila just to pay off his bill. But the question here right now is, do you have friends like that? Diba? Are you lucky enough to have friends like that who will shoulder your medical bills in the future or in any unexpected events or any health uncertainties? Do you have someone with you who can do that for you? Who will do that for you? Diba? What if you don't have friends like that? Alright? Saan mo kaya kukuhanin yung pambayad mo sa medical bills mo if you haven't prepared for it, if you were not able to prepare for it? Or if right now, you don't have any plans for it, wala kang naka-save na fund or naka-ready na fund for any health uncertainties. What if it happened at the very least moment or unexpected time in your life? Where are you gonna get it? Is it from your hard-earned savings? If you have kids, is it coming from your education fund for your kids? Will it come out from your retirement plan? Do you need to sell your property just to pay off your medical bills? And lastly, will it be coming from your other insurance plan that is designed for investment or your retirement? Saan nyo siya kukuhanin? Saan mo kukuhanin yung pangbayad mo sa medical bills mo? And we know how costly it is when someone is stricken with a critical illness. And most of the time, the family is surprised and very unprepared about how much hospital treatment costs. And that's why we do health fund planning. Here at Akba, we do health fund planning. Now, question here, diba? If I get sick, who will take care of my medical bills and family's finances? Good thing we partnered with one of the big insurance companies in the Philippines and in Canada, which is Manulife Philippines, who will give us the best solution for your medical needs or health funding needs, right? So we have here the HealthFlex. Yung po yung title ko din kanina, Protecting Your Wealth. Why HealthFlex? Because it's flexible, it's lifetime, and it is expensive. Now, people would be asking you, baka you might be asking me right now, no? Ano ba yung HealthFlex na yan? Para saan ba yan? Diba? Kasi I really want to get a plan, no? Pero hindi ko nga talaga alam kung ano ba talaga yung plan na kukuhanin ko. Diba? Some of you who are watching right now, no, maybe asking me that question or maybe asking yourselves right now na ano ba yung plan na akma para sa akin? Ano ba yung akma na fit talaga para sa akin? Kasi I don't have a plan right now and I don't know where to start. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya sisimulan. That's why yung kanina, yung sinimulan ko, we started with the hierarchy of financial needs. We really need to start the base. We really need to protect our income. We really need to protect our health and our assets as well. But for me, personally speaking, I would really like to start with health because it really protects your wealth. It will really protect your retirement plan, your investments, your properties. No? It will really protect you. Yung mga pinundar nyo po for the past years, no? Kasi hindi niyo na siya kailangan ibenta o kuhanin pa when a health uncertainty comes, no? When an illness comes. All right? So, let's dig deeper into this plan, into this product. Okay, so wait lang po. All right, so this is just a sample plan for a 40-year-old male. Okay, so this is Health Flex plan. So as you can see here, okay, it has the advanced critical illness benefit. Makita niyo po yung coverage dyan. The face amount of this one, don't be ano lang po malito. 1 million pesos po ang face amount nito or sum insured. But I will be discussing more about this. We have the waiver of premium. We have the early stage critical illnesses, recovery benefit, and male cancer benefit. Okay? So, Matt, ang dami mong sinasabi, hindi ko siya masyado nagigets. Para saan ba talaga tong plan na to? This plan will help you when you got diagnosed with a critical illness. Kapag na-diagnose po tayo ng sakit. Okay? So, paano ba to? Himayin po natin. Okay? Pero Matt, paano ba yan? Ilang years ko pa siyang babayaran? And magkano ba yung premium ko dyan? For example, I am 40 years old. Magkano nga ba yung premium ko for that one? Okay, you'll be paying for this plan. This Health Flex plan is 10 years to pay. Okay, and your annual premium is 87,000 pesos. 87,000 pesos? Ang mahal naman. Ang mahal naman, no? Tapos 10 years ko siyang babayaran. So magkano yun? Parang almost 870,000 yung babayaran ko for this plan. 87,000, yes, mahal po. Pero ano po bang mas mahal? Maglabas ka ng 8,493 pesos? Or maglabas po tayo ng 80,000 or 50,000 every month for chemotherapy, for radiation therapy, or for, sabihin natin, for dialysis po. Anong mas mahal ilabas? Anong mas mahirap ilabas? Yung 8,400 every month for your health plan? Or doon na po sa 50,000, 60,000 every month for your medical bills? Sige po. I'll let you answer that question kung ano po mas mahirap ilabas doon. But for now, I'll be breaking this one down to you. Okay? So as you can see here, it's 10 years to pay. We have, diba? Sabi nyo nga po, it's total of 870 in 10 years. No. Your total benefit po talaga for this plan is 1.9 million. Total critical illness benefit is at 1.9 million, almost 2 million pesos. So by just saving 8,000 or 87,000 every year for 10 years, you'll have a critical illness benefit already of 1.9 million. Talaga ba? Yung ba? Paano naman siya? Paano siya nag-work? Paano nag-work yung plan? Ayan, kung paano pag nagkasakit ako? 'Di ba? Paano ba talaga siya nag-work sa akin? Paano niyo napoprotektahan yung health ko? What if, Matt, no? What if I got diagnosed with an early stage critical illness? Ano yung makukuha ko diyan, Matt, kapag ganun? Let's just say nagkaroon ako ng minor burns or carcinoma in situ or angioplasty, or paano kapag yung minor illness lang? Okay. So kapag sa minor illness po, if we got diagnosed with an early stage critical illness, let's just say early stage malignancy, early thyroid cancer, no, angioplasty, or less severe heart attack, any of these illnesses po na nakikita nyo sa screen nyo right ngayon, magkano po kaya tingin nyo ang marireceive natin? Magkano po talaga ang benefit na ibibigay sa inyo? Okay. Benefit paid is 250,000 pesos. If you are diagnosed with an early stage of an illness, early stage critical illness, you get to receive 250,000 pesos. So Matt, bakit 250,000 pesos? Because 25% po of the benefit or your face amount will be given for you on this benefit po para po sa early stage critical illness. Okay, ibabawas po yun. Ibabawas po itong 250,000 doon sa 1 million na sum insured nyo. Ay ganun? So ibabawas pala yun, yung 250. So matitira nyo 750 na. Yes po. Pero in a year, in 1 year po, hindi naman nag-escalate yung sakit nyo, hindi po lumala at no other claims na po, ibabalik po ulit ni Manulife yung 250,000 doon sa original coverage niya. So magiging 1 million pesos po ulit yung magiging coverage no or yung face amount niyo po. And on top of that, kapag na-diagnose po ng early stage critical illness, yung premium niyo po for 1 year, mawo-waive po. Your premium for 1 year will be waived. Alright? Oh, so ganun pala yun eh. Eh paano naman kasi, di ba may na-mention ka kanina na parang may male cancer benefit ata doon sa first page nung pinakita mong yan. Okay, so what if I got diagnosed with a gender-specific illness? Okay, so for males, di ba, ano ba yung mga gender-specific illness na meron ang mga lalaki? We have here for the testicles, prostate, di ba? Ayan, so nandiyan po yung listahan. So on top of the early stage critical illness, no, actually, share ko lang po, I've been hearing a lot of scenarios right now. Ang dami ko na naririnig din from my friends na nada-diagnose po ng prostate cancer, yung dad nila or yung iba din po at an early stage of 40, nagkaka-prostate cancer, 50s, 60s. So, I think, hindi ko naman po gusto, no, pero parang nagiging common na rin po siya. No, and I also, for my fellow males out there, I hope you are also prepared, no? If ever man lang, and wag naman ho sana mangyari yun. Because if you have this plan, Manulife will help you with your medical bills. No? You'll be getting 250,000 pesos from this one. Bakit 250? It's 25% again of the face amount. Diba? From my personal experience, sure, my dad was diagnosed with a prostate cancer years ago. And I think that was 8 years, 10 years. And then lang ho siya, umulit po ulit nung last year lang. So we had to do another set of therapy, treatment, no, radiation. Imagine niyo po yung nagastos din namin. And my dad is 74 years old right now. And sa panahon po nila, nung kabataan pa nila, wala pa pong health insurance no na available in the market. So imagine niyo na lang po kung saan namin kinuha yung treatment, yung ginastos namin for the treatment. Imagine yung PET scan pa lang po, PET CT scan, magkano pala po? It's 80,000 already. Diba? Some of the funds came from his retirement plan. Kaya po sinasabi ko kanina, if you are not prepared, saan yung kukuhanin? Sa hard-earned money nyo, sa retirement plan nyo, retirement pay nyo, savings. Diba? So sana by this time napapag-isip-isip na rin ho tayo kung kailangan na ho ba natin ng health insurance or not. Alright. So moving forward, no? What if naman, Matt, no? So having said that, na-diagnose na ako ng early stage critical illness and gender-specific illness. Paano kapag, yun nga, nahirapan na ako, in the long run, let's just say after 50, pagdating ko ng 50, 65 years old, what if I got diagnosed with an advanced critical illness? No? Ano na ba yung benefit na makukuha ko from that? Ano yung help na pwede mong ibigay sa akin? With this advanced critical illness. If a person got diagnosed with one of these illnesses po na nakalista, let's just say that for the top 3, it's cancer, heart attack, and stroke. And for other illnesses, no, we have the coronary artery bypass, kidney failure, major organ transplantation, diba? Madami, paralysis, blindness, so on and so forth. So what if I got diagnosed with a coronary artery disease? Or kapag may coronary artery bypass ako, surgery, magkano yung makukuha ko from that plan? You'll be getting 1 million pesos from this plan. Okay? 1 million pesos. Let's just say, this is 40 years old, no? What if the client was diagnosed 8 years after paying this plan? I mean, 8 years on the plan pa lang, 8 years pa lang niya nababayaran, 7 years. If the client was diagnosed with an advanced critical illness, they will give, Manulife will already be giving 1 million pesos. Diba? Kahit hindi pa tapos yung plan, kahit hindi mo pa tapos bayaran yung plan, magbibigay na agad ng 1 million pesos. Mabibigay na agad yung benefit sa'yo. And wala ka nang kailangan bayaran. Because once you get to claim the advanced critical illness benefit, future premiums will be waived already. Okay? Wala ka nang kailangan bayaran. And just to share with you again, a story of mine. Ang dami kong kwento, no? Ang dami kong story, no? Baka po magtaka kayo, bakit naman ang daming kwento na itong taong to? Ba't ang daming kwento na itong nagsasalita dito? Well, the reason for that is it's because I've been in 11 years in the industry and I have clients already, no, in the past, no. And I just went to their, I have a client of mine and I just went to their house last weekend. Ay, hindi ko naman husip pa sila friends dito, no. Okay, I just went to their house there last weekend because we were filing for a critical illness benefit. The client of mine was very healthy, no. He was a pilot. Healthy siya. So when you're a pilot kasi nalaman ko lang ho na may mga test sila, no? Medical test, physical and medical every 6 months. So parang annual check-up lang or semi-annual check-up lang for them. So may mga stress test sila, may mga yung sa dugo, lahat, cholesterol. And dun sa stress test, parang may nakitang something lang dun sa heart na may parang abnormality. Pero he's feeling fine ha, napaka-strong niya. Hindi niya alam na wala naman siyang talagang nararamdaman. Pero nung inano siya for angiogram or yung CT scan for the heart, no, it was discovered that this person has a coronary artery disease. No, parang yung mga veins ata nagkakaroon ng mga bara or kung ano-ano na po. Pero he's just perfectly feeling fine. Wala ho siya nararamdaman. Until he got tested for that, no? Kung tinest siya, dun lang nakita. Diba? At dinanong ko kung magkano ho yung nagastos nila. Kasi they went for the angioplasty. They went for the coronary artery bypass surgery. So, ang nagastos ho nila is 900,000 pesos sa Philippine Heart Center. That's 900,000 pesos. And swerte po, they have a health insurance na kinuha sa akin. They get to claim 1 million pesos po. Yan, in process, pero syempre inabonohan po muna nila. Pero it is covered. So imagine niyo po, no? Also imagine the medical inflation that we have every year is almost at 10% every year. Okay? So, what if coronary artery bypass surgery diagnosed? Sabihin mo natin ako. Nakuha ko na yung 1 million pesos. 'Di ba? Doon na ho ba matatapos yung plan ko? So kapag nakuha ko na terminated na yung plan ko. Hindi pa po. But wait, there's more. Because here sa HealthPlex po of Manulife, we also have the recovery benefit. So what do we mean by recovery benefit? Recovery benefit, so after ko po ma-diagnose ng advanced critical illness, I will also be receiving 2% of my face amount every year for 24 months. So even if nakuha ko na yung 1 million pesos, no, or nakuha ko na yung 250,000 pesos from an early stage critical illness or early stage diagnosis, Gender-specific illness, 250,000. That's a total of 500,000 already. And I got diagnosed with an advanced critical illness. And I received 1 million pesos. That's a total of 1.5 million already. And on top of that, after ko ho, makuha yung 1 million pesos, I will still be receiving 20,000 every month for 24 months as my recovery benefit. Maganda ho ba? Ayos po ba yun? Na after mo makuha yung whole benefit or sum insured mo or yung face amount mo ng 1 million pesos, Manulife will still give you something for your recovery. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Manulife will be supporting you. Actually, not Manulife. You will still be supporting yourself for 24 months. Kasi you got this plan for yourself. You got this plan for any health uncertainties. You're doing yourself a favor. You're doing your family a favor. You're giving them a favor. Not to be burdened with your hospital bills, with your medical bills. Diba? We want you to focus with your recovery. Kasi alam niyo po, to be honest, when someone is diagnosed with an illness, marami po tayong magiging problema. Mentally, emotionally, financial, syempre physically at the same time. Kasi maghahanap ka kung saan kukuha ng pera eh. Diba? If you are not prepared. Pero what if prepared ka? Ano na lang po ang poproblemahin mo? Wala na. Konti na lang. Diba? Mag-focus ka na lang po. Mag-focus ka na lang sa pagpapagaling. Because someone will provide for your medical bills. Ikaw mismo ang gumawa nito sa'yo. You really secured your finances, your wealth. Kasi you prepared for your health uncertainties. For any health uncertainties in life. Alright? So 20,000 every month for 24 months. Baka you might also be asking, what if, no, Matt, Matt, hindi nakasurvive for 24 months? What if something happened to you, sa akin, no? Paano kapag after 12 months ko pa lang din nare-receive, something happened to me, hindi na kinaya ng katawan ko? It's okay. Kasi yung remaining amount po na dapat ma-receive nyo, it will be given to your beneficiaries. Maibibigay po yan sa beneficiaries nyo. Yung remaining na 240,000 pesos. Why 240,000? Because 20,000 every month for 24 months, that's a total of 480. Pero if, yun nga, natapos tayo, within 12 months lang, yung remaining amount will be given to your family already. Alright? Okay, so next, no, we have here the waiver of premium benefit. Ito, na-discuss ko na rin siya kanina, pero let me just focus on this one. No? The waiver of premium, it applies po doon kanina yung early stage critical illness. I've mentioned that if I got diagnosed with an early stage critical illness, 1 year of premium will be waived. Okay, but if I got diagnosed with an advanced critical illness, meaning yung 1 million pesos na benefit nakuha ko, automatically waived po yung premium payment. Assuming po na hindi pa ako tapos magbayad for this plan. Assuming that I was diagnosed on the 6th year of my plan or my policy year. Remaining premiums for the next years will be waived already. Wala na akong kailangan pera. Focus na lang po talaga tayo sa recovery at pagpapagaling. Okay? Oh, maganda pala talaga yan, no? Pero, Matt, paano kapag naman, let's just say, no, what if nothing happened to me? May typo pa. What if nothing happened to me? Typo po yan, no? So, what if nothing happened to me? Well, let's go thank God. Praise God kasi healthy po tayo. We remained a healthy lifestyle. Healthy po talaga yung health natin. Hindi natin pinabayaan yung health natin. So, as you can see here, I'll be showing this table. Papakita ko po sa inyo, what if. Oh, ang daming what ifs kanina, no? Ang dami ko ng what ifs na sinasabi. Later on, we'll be discussing with that what ifs. Walang nangyari sa akin. Again, thank God, kasi wala akong nangyari sa inyo. Hindi kayo na-diagnose. Okay. Okay. So, dito ho yan. So, what if wala naman nga, no? As you can see here, we have here the non-guaranteed accumulated dividends. We also have here the total living benefit. Okay, ano ba itong mga to? Alright? So, itong total living benefit, ito po yung combination ng accumulated dividends nyo at ng guaranteed cash value. Okay? So, paano kumukuha yun, Matt? What if, kunyari, no, pagdating ko ng age 80, or let's just say, sige, let's be conservative, no? Sabihin mo natin, burahin ko lang po, no? So, what if, Matt, pagdating ko ng age 70, I really wanna enjoy life, or sabihin natin, gusto kong ma-enjoy yung sinave ko sa plan, no? Actually, you can get 438,000 pesos po from your plan, or 393. So, ano yan? Ano yung sinasabi mong 438,000 na yan or 393 pesos? It's the dividend earnings from your plan. Okay? I strongly suggest na ito po yung kung gusto niyo talaga ma-enjoy while you are living, no? Just get these dividends. The total non-guaranteed accumulated dividends. So we have here two rates po, 3%, 2%. That is just for illustration purposes. Okay? Diba? Kasi you're asking me, if wala naman po nangyari sa inyo, anong pwede kong gawin dyan sa plan na yan? You can get 393 pesos or 438. Pero po, no? Pero po, kung nabibitin ho kayo dyan, no? And if you really need money for something, I don't usually suggest this one. Okay? If you decided, no, to surrender the plan in the future, you can get a total of 1,032,000 pesos. That's the total living benefit. Okay? That's a total living benefit. Alright? So yun po, yun ang pwede natin. And if wala naman nung mangyari sa inyo, alam niyo po bang hindi pa rin yan tapon? Kung hindi naman, paano kapag ayoko naman withdraw, ano mangyari dyan sa plan ko? Remember I mentioned po a while ago, it's lifetime. This plan is lifetime coverage. You are covered for lifetime. Meaning, this plan doesn't terminate at the age of 70. This plan doesn't terminate at the age of 75. Even if, sabihin ho natin, no? Kasi I know some plans terminates at age 70, 75 yung health coverage nila. Nagte-terminate at 70 at 75. Ang kagandahan ho kasi dito, for this health solution, like I said, it is lifetime. Pwede nyo na rin hong pamana tong plan na to sa beneficiaries nyo. Sa anak nyo, no? Sa mga anak nyo, sa mga asawa, sa asawa nyo, no? Kasi bakit? They will be getting the total death benefit. How much is that? Okay. If someone died due to an old age, let's just say at the age of 80, no? Your family will be getting 1.8 million or 1.7 million. It's the death benefit plus the dividends from your plan. So meaning, wala hong tapon sa plan na to. Sinecure nyo pa yung health nyo, may pamana ka pa sa beneficiaries mo. Diba? You've protected your wealth already and pamana mo na rin siya sa beneficiaries mo if you remain healthy even at old age. Diba? Yun na yun. So, walang mawawalan. Kesa naman na magsasave ka ng 1.8 million or 1.5 million or 1 million sa bangko mo para lang ipamana sa mga anak mo, di ba? Dito, sinave mo lang 800,000 pesos, 870. And they get more than what you have saved. Right? Yun ang kagandahan ng plan na to. You get to protect your wealth. You get to prepare for any health uncertainties in life. And at the same time, you give your family a peace of mind. Naging worry-free din sila. Okay? So, Matt, paano naman? Kasi you've been mentioning 87,000 pesos. I cannot afford that amount right now. Hindi ko kaya. I cannot afford 8,000 pesos every month right now. Pero I really want that plan. Gusto ko talagang kuhanin yan. I want that plan. I see the benefits of it. I see it will be beneficial for me and my family. Ang mahal lang. Gusto ko niyan. And I want the same benefit at the same time. Can you help me with that? Can you help me, Matt? Para ma-avail ko yung plan na makakuha ako ng plan na yan. Yes, I can totally help you. As you can see, kanina po, this plan, same lang din po siya. It's 10 years to pay. We can extend your payment until age 60. When you reach age 60. So say if you're 40 years old right now, you need to pay the plan for 20 years more until you reach age 60. So as you can see here, total annual premium is 87,000 pesos. Pero when we extend your payment period up to age 60, 53,000 pesos na lang po siya. Monthly, from 8,000, naging 5,157 pesos. Diyan lang po sila nagkakaiba. Pero meron pong pareho sa kanila. It's the benefit that you'll be receiving. It's the benefit that you will be getting. Same na same pa rin po sila. You still get to be protected. And just to share with you again, no, sundan ko lang po yung kwento ko kanina about my client. 8 years old pa lang po pala yung plan nila when he filed for the claim. Meaning, yung plan na po kasi yon, it's 20 years to pay. Pero even at the 8th year of the plan pa lang, or at the 8th year of policy year, makukuha po nila yung full benefit. And they don't need to pay anything after that. Kasi they get to have the benefit already, the full benefit already. Diba? So even if, tulad ho na sinasabi ko, even if hindi pa natin tapos bayaran yung plan, then something happened to us after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, we will be getting the benefit already. Or even 90 days old, even 91 days old. Diba? Even 91 days old pa lang yung plan nyo. If something happened to us, or if something happened to me, even if at 91st day pa lang nung plan ko, I will be getting the full amount already. Assuming na wala po talaga akong existing condition. Tulad nga ho sa video natin, di ba? Lahat ba pwede pa kumuha ng life insurance? Hindi ho. Depende pa rin yan sa health mo, sa age mo, at syempre sa budget mo. Alright? So, sabihin natin 60. So, 40 years, 20 years ko babayaran, ang mahal naman. That's a total of how much? Kung 53,000 yon, so almost 1 million is save ko for 20 years. Actually, I'm just doing this po, no? Para po doon sa mga mahilig mag-compute, no? Ito po, I'll be breaking it down to you. Okay? So, 53,000 pesos every year for 20 years, that's a total of 1 million pesos. But what if the scenarios naman po, tulad ng kanina, you are diagnosed with an early stage critical illness, you have the gender-specific illness, the recovery benefit as well. Yeah, you paid 1 million pesos until age 60. But how much will you receive if a health uncertainty occurs, di ba? Paano kung nagkasakit ka? You still get more than what you have saved. You still get more than what you have paid for. And the question here again, what if naman wala pa rin nangyari sa akin, healthy pa rin ako until age 80 or 70? Okay, you still get to receive 1.3 million. 'Di ba? It is still more than what you have saved. Wag na ho nating i-total. Let's just keep in mind na we have a health protection, na may plan na sasagot sa atin na, 'di ba, magkaroon tayo bigla ng critical illness or any illness, no, na listed doon sa plan. Manulife will take care of us. Not just Manulife, but you yourself. You are also taking care of yourself. You are taking care of your future self. 'Di ba? Let yourself take care of you today and your future. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo ngayon and in the future. Plan for yourself, plan ahead. Just imagine na lang na what if, 'di ba? Ang dami na ng what if wala kang plan, what if eto na lang yung save mo, what if eto na lang yung kinuha mo, what if galawin ko na lang yung, what if marami naman akong pera. Marami na akong pera, hindi ko kailangan yan. Yes, marami kang pera, kaya mo yan. Pero gusto mo ba, question here, gusto mo ba na yung pera mo na pinaghirapan mo for so many years, gamitin mo, ilabas mo for just an illness? There's a smarter way of doing it. There's a smarter way of paying for that. And it is by getting a health insurance plan. One way also is really to protect your wealth. If you really want to protect your wealth, you have to get a health insurance plan. All right? Because it eliminates the idea, again, of getting funds, no? Doon sa education fund ng anak mo, retirement fund mo, properties na ininvest mo, na hindi mo na kailangan ibenta kasi may health insurance plan ka. Okay? This is the price that you are paying for this. Peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. Okay? Clear po? So kung may question kayo, please park po doon sa chat box natin. Okay? So we're almost done. Patapos na ho tayo. And if you also have questions regarding this plan, just please message our page, Akma General Insurance Agency, and please follow, like, and share lang po. If you get to see that this session is really valuable to you, and you see someone, no, na friends nyo, family members nyo, please share to them at the same time. And if they want to have a one-on-one session, nandito po ako. No, not just me, but the whole Akma General Insurance Agency will be there for them. Okay? And before I let you go this morning, just want to share with you our advocacy and why we really do this. And please just watch this video and how passionately we are sharing this advocacy to a lot of people. That's why we are doing this Facebook live stream every day. Dahil gusto po namin maka-reach out sa mga tao, as many people as we can. It's the power of social media and digital marketing. So please watch this video as well.
Come on, Jonathan. Show Mama your drawing.
Mama, this is you, this is me. When I grow up, I want to help people just like you.
I'm going to work now.
But I'm not so sure anymore. Why did she become a financial consultant? It's not an easy job. Sometimes there were challenges. Sometimes there were rejections. She worked long hours. It hasn't been an easy life for her. So why did she become a financial consultant?
Jonathan, Uncle Theo, how are you?
I'm good.
Heard you have graduated already, and you want to be a financial consultant just like your mother.
I'm still thinking about it. Anyway, thanks for coming to my mother's birthday party.
You know, I used to be a very difficult client.
Still young, see? Get a lot of anyways. See our
Mama, Mama.
But your mother is a kind of person who will never give up on her clients.
May I know is what for team?
Over there.
Thank you. Mr. Teo, don't worry. Your claims are done. Just focus on taking care of your daughter.
Now I understand what Mama does as a financial consultant. She treats her clients like her own family. She makes a difference in people's lives.
Mama, I want to be just like you.
Now, this gives you an exact idea of what we do. We have been passionately fulfilling the role of a financial advisor, and we want our services to be known to everyone. And we would really love the chance to have a nice conversation with you and see if we could still be of service to you. Tulungan niyo po kami maka-reach out sa iba't ibang klase ng tao, sa iba't ibang tao. To many people as possible po na kaya namin. And we will be doing that. Dahil ibibigay po talaga namin kung ano ang akma para sa inyo. Ang akmang plan para sa iyo. Akmang plan para sa mga plans mo in the future for your goals and dreams in life. We will be doing that. Once again, thank you for tuning in to our daily dose of sales caffeine. No, I hope I did something good to you today. I opened up something to you today. Sana po hindi lang po yung mata yung nabuksan ko or yung isipan ho natin, nabuksan ko, pati ho sana yung puso nyo din. I hope that this session made an impact to you as well and will make you do something about it. All right. So thank you again for tuning in. Just tune in to us every morning, no? Our daily dose of sales caffeine from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. at the same time. So again, everyone, thank you for tuning in. And shout out po sa lahat ng mga nag-share dyan, sa mga nag-like. Thank you so much for your support, for sharing the live stream, no? And if you have questions, just feel free to message us, to message our page, no? And someone from Akma will really reach out to you. All right? So thank you again. God bless everyone. I hope you will all have a great day ahead. Bye-bye. See you and thank you.